Today's competitive job market, crafting a standout resume is essential for securing employment opportunities. However, the traditional approach to resume building can be time-consuming and daunting. Visual CV revolutionizes the traditional resume building process by offering a dynamic and intuitive platform powered by AI technology. You're a recent graduate embarking on your first job search or a professional looking to advance your career. Are you ready to master resume creation with AI? Let's dive into Visual CV and unleash your career potential like never before. Enter your title, then, provide your contact details, your phone number and email address, so potential employers can reach out to you easily. If you have a website showcasing your work or portfolio, you can include it as well. Let me put all the details and then we move further. Now let's enter your related work experiences, ensuring to spotlight roles relevant to your desired position. Include the names of the companies you've worked for, providing a comprehensive overview of your professional background. You can write your most impressive achievement by just writing a hint here, and AI will improve it by just a click on it. Upon clicking Improve with AI, it will display all pertinent details automatically regarding your work experience. You can input the start and end dates, and upon receiving suggestions from AI, you can regenerate the information accordingly. Input your previous job roles, prioritizing those that align closely with your current career objectives. Provide details about the responsibilities you undertook and the impact you made in each position. Otherwise, you can click on Accept button. Now you can include your most recent degree and your school name, same as for previous education details. Upon clicking Add Section, you can select Summary with AI, which will automatically generate a summary for you. And again, you can click on Add Skills and select Skills section. Here you can add your job relevant skills. Once you've entered all the necessary information, including personal details, work experience, education, and skills, you can preview the resume and proceed to download it. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for latest videos.